Here is the easiest method to convert your PDF documents into Microsoft Office Word documents and vice versa. As you can see on the desktop, I already have my PDF document right here that I'd like to convert. So what I need to do is to right click on the document, navigate to open with. You need to navigate in the list and look for Microsoft Office Word. If it's not showing in the list, then you go choose another app. When this dialog box opens, you scroll and look for Microsoft Office Word. If it's not showing, then you click on this arrow down here which says more apps. Then scroll once again until you see Microsoft Office Word. It's right here. I just click once, click OK. So before the document opens, you will get this little notification right here which says Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. This may take a while. The resulting Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text, so it might not look exactly like the original PDF, especially if the original file contained lots of graphics. Just go ahead and click OK. And there you go. Now you can see our PDF document has been converted into Microsoft Office Word document. Now we can come in and make changes to the document with ease. Similarly, if you would like to convert this Word document back to PDF, what you'll do, you come over to this file menu right here, save as, browse for the location right here where you'd like to save the document. I'll go ahead and put it right on the desktop. I just give this one a name, sample Word to PDF file. So in the save as type file extension, you just click in the drop down and look for PDF, click save, and there you go. Now your Word document has been converted into a PDF file, and that's all you have to do. Remember, if you like this type of content, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. See you in the next one.